This is an LMC motorhome. It is the Breezer Passion V 643G, and it kicks off at 58,000 euros, and then this one here is going to cost 66,000. So it's got 8,000 euros worth of extras inside. And let's have a look inside ourselves and see if we can spot what it's got that other vans don't have. Right, it's on a Fiat basis. The colour scheme is somewhat, I would say, Northern European. It's a bit black, I think. It, don't know, I mean obviously it's a matter of what you like, of course. Okay, there's a step up to get up here. And there in front of me, I can see it's on an automatic gearbox, and more people are wanting automatic gearboxes these days. Had a conversation this morning and with the manufacturers, and they say even the young people now want automatic gearboxes. People want manual ones seem to be just older people such as myself. My first two vehicles incidentally were both automatic, but since then I've only had, and for that matter wanted, manual. I like to think I'm driving, but other people clearly don't. Another thing which surprised me was on the 4x4, the people wanting automatics. And I said, but surely the point of 4x4 is you've got to feel your contact with the ground. Said, no, it's just a matter of glamping, that's all they want. Anyway, so if you're a 4x4 who wants an automatic, who thinks you're not just a glamper, do let me know. Anyway, it's not really relevant to the point of this here, because this van is not for 4x4, and just started going off on a tangent. This I think is a good place actually to put your wardrobe. My second van had a wardrobe in this position. I think it's a good place for it. I didn't give the dimensions of this, so we'll do that on the way out. But you can see what they've done here. They put these these beds which go longwise. Now, one thing I do rather like about the LMC is the way they do their kitchens. And it seems to be a longer kitchen than others might do. Look how long this is, and this is a design. Maybe Thetford did this design for LMC, because I haven't seen anywhere else. I don't know if even Thetford offer it to anyone else as things are at the moment. But you've got this huge space here. So you've got very large pans. I cook with a very large pan, and it's a stoneware. I'll keep talking about it, and I'll have to show it one day. And what I like about this is I do like the water to drain off somewhere, so when you have spills and all sorts of other things, that does make it a little bit easier. Another thing I do appreciate is this thing here, this barrier here, keeps the heat off your knobs, and so I think that's quite good. There's something there from Finbar Saunders. If you don't understand what that means, then you don't read the magazine Viz. It sounds as though it's something rude, and I didn't intend to be. Under here, there's a fridge. There you go. You can see the fridge is down there, and you've got some drawers here, of course. Respect drawers, wouldn't you, really? Right, two beds here, and as you can see by looking through here, we've got down there a wardrobe, and somebody's put a plastic thing in there. Well, we'll have a look down here as well. That plastic thing actually is just been put in there for storage. This is a trade fair. People have to put this stuff somewhere. There you got a bit more space there for plastic boxes. We've also got, it seems to be a fuse box in there, which isn't particularly convenient. There, you can see into your garage. It could be handy. And what's up here? That's your emergency escape into the garage. Now, how would you sleep in this bed? Would you sleep lengthwise or would you sleep widthwise? I was talking to a lady today, tells me she camps by herself, and she sleeps width-wise, although she got one of these types of vans. Well, I think there's plenty of storage in here anyway. Oops. So what do you think of that van? Like it or not like it? Let's have a look at what else we've got on the stand. Oh, there's a bit there that this will come out. There you go. Comes out. Oh, you got a mirror here as well. What I'll do is I'll give you a quick walk around some of these other vehicles, and I'll see if I can do them in more detail at a later time. You can see the differences. So it's just here, so you got the bed is lower, kitchen is certainly in a different position, shower is completely different. Here's another Passion. It's obviously a matter of taste, but I think that kitchen is the sort of chunky look to it is I think it looks good. You might think it looks awful. Looks like a set of drawers, chest of drawers. And let's have a look at this one as well, another Passion. There are some minor differences in the prices of these vehicles, but it's really only minor. It's not, sorry, in percentage terms. You know, you've got €1,000 in your pocket, and it's a fortune. But when you consider the price, this €1,000 is what, 1.5% of the cost, so it's not exactly a lot. So this one here, for example, 68,700 with the options it's got. And in this case, I can't stand up here. It's too low for me. This wouldn't be a van for me. Got a spare bed up there as well. The spare bed doesn't get in the way, so it's not a problem. And let's have a look at this one up here as well. This one's a Cruiser Premium. This thing here costs €72,000. Well, I prefer the low profile ones, but here we have a cab over. It's also called Passion for some reason. I don't know what. Yeah, I'll just show you this quickly. You can see this in another film if you're interested. So, there you go, Passion V643G from LMC.